Hi guys, we're doing another Jamagrams. Bunnies are sweet just like you. Starting to think this is a bunny plushie, but whatever. Let's see. Yep, bunny plushie. And we got a bunny plushie. And we got a bunny plushie. Yay! And I just love bunnies. Bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. I love the butterfly underneath. What butterfly? Oh. Here's my first housing item, actually. So. I think she's just trying to get it. Whatever. I don't want to hurt her feelings. You look lovely, Sonny. So, that is really it for today. See you in my next gifting video.